my God, the dog is smoking a cigarette. What is up, guys? Cars Across Texas today. Today, join me here out in Crosby for another Essence HTX meet, and it is an absolutely freezing night, but there's some sick builds out here. Perfect boost weather for the supercharged turbo cars. So hopefully some great tins. Let me know what your favorite car is. Chevrolet, if you're looking for a new ride, hit me up, email me, DM me. I'll put them both on screen here. And then also, I am hosting a car show. We rescheduled it for the end of the month. Gloss and Gears up in Tomball. I'll put the flyer here. I'll put the Facebook link down in the comments below or the description below. And I hope you see you guys there. And onto the meet we go. We got this CT5V here. No Hood Gang. There you go. Nice. We're doing the S197 GT500 here on a really nice drag pack, looking good, all blacked out with like the matte black stripes. Got some meat back here. These wheels are good looking. I don't know if I've ever seen this type of drag pack before. I like. Very nice. Dude, it looks to be a very nice Evo here. Maybe bags, very low. Got a whole bunch of goodies. You see the AMS intercooler, carbon everywhere, big wing out back. I think it's very, very low though. And then over here, looks like we got a BRZ with a definitely not factory powertrain in there. That's pretty cool. I bet this thing is rowdy, and I bet it handles like a party. Little blue C5 is sounding kind of good. You got the C6 Grand Sport type wheels on. Chopping it up a little bit. We got a very nice M2 here, fully kitted out with some crazy looking gold wheels on this thing. He's been in videos before, but this kit is so crazy. I'm gonna show him again. And then this might even be part of the same video, but this build is absolutely wild on this 3-valve, no longer being a 3-valve. Got the Coyote swap and the absolutely wild turbo setup. Thing I'm sure makes a ton of power in this cold weather. I'm sure these turbos love it, but what is traction? He does have the bead lock and some meats out back though. I also love Hellcats, wide body Hellcats with the deep dish drag pack. They got this much concave with these wide body like fender flares. Just looks so good. I like it, man. I like it. Then over here we got a rowdy looking GTO. He got that open bell mouth type thing. Lots of nitrous going on here as well. There you go. I bet this thing is also a party. I've said it before, I'll say it again, boys. I love some V8 Lexus action. We've got a very clean ISF, something you really don't see that often. But this thing is really, really clean. Who the hell is this? On the Bellix. That is clean as dude. Dang. That is so clean. We got a turbo MR2. Holy shit! That is insane. Hell yeah, brother. We got some more boys rolling in. We got the race truck Chevy here. Bead locks on all 4 corners. Nice. Hell yeah. We got a RCS BF-150. It is Crosby after all, boys. There's going to be plenty of trucks, as you can see. Truck, troquita, lots of stuff. And then we got the Celine New Edge here on the Ferradas, looking good. Very nice. And we got the Challenger RT in the orange, looking good. Followed by, let's get this, followed by the old school Camaro. Sounds supercharged. Huh. Definitely supercharged. Yeah, you hear that centrifugal blower? Hell yeah, brother. That is sick. Are those skinnies on this back of this Mustang? I think those look like skinnies on the back of this thing. What in the world? I think these are fronts. We got some NA boys joining the party here with a couple 6 gens with the high Rams. No Hood Gang didn't cut. This guy did cut the hood. Fit that high Ram. Got the blue F body rolling on through. Sounding good. I like this. Centrifugal blower, old school Camaro. There we go. Little foldable headlight covers activated. Hell yeah. Got a nice little C6 Z06 rolling on up. This thing is super clean. Hell yeah, brother. I love Atomic Orange. Listen to this. Dang, that's actually really clean. Good plate. Love it. Boys, the S650s are really growing on me. On a drag pack, lowered, thing looks really good. We'll get the mischievous purple Mach 1 rolling in. I love that color. Move, Mustang. I want to see the Mach 1. Hell yeah, brother. Is that mischievous purple? It is. Nice color, my friend. The LS Swap BRZ's rolling out. Let's go to the exit. No, brother, come this way. Where are you going, friend? Oh, hell no. What are you doing? Why are y'all going over there? Thumbs down, dislike. Hellcat on the drag pack. ISF redlining it. Nice. Some boys rolling in. Nice. Little C5 rolling on out. Someone's gonna have to give me a thumbnail at some point. There you go. Well, that 650 rolling on in. Who is this? The thing is clean, man. The thing is clean. Oh, hey, look, we got a vet pulling on in. Oh, it's a ZR1. Nice. Got some Supra popping and banging like crazy. On a drag pack, too. Oh my God, the dog is smoking a cigarette. Oh, I was so confused. Very nice C7 Z06. 5th gen pulling up behind. Here's Cole, boys. That flame over there in that burn stack is looking mighty nice right about now. I'm gonna climb up there for warmth. Little S550 rolling on up. GT500. Very nice. Very, very nice, my friend. Looks like the ISF is back as well. And then we got an SRT, or Trackhawk. Very cool. CTF5V with no hood rolling out. Please don't crash and kill me. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. Somebody's coming in hot. Damn it, boy. The golden ticket GT500. That 370, he just ruined that whole clip. ATS-V coupe, it looks like. Damn, this is all turbo noise. Mustangs rolling in. Hell yeah, brother. The twin turbo 3-valve. It's no longer a 3-valve rolling out. And he is a responsible boy. Hell yeah, brother. Do something cool. Oh shit, brother. God dang. La mamelona ¿qué? What that Escalade do? That blood hanging out of his mouth and everything.
Something cool!
Hey, that's pretty cool. brother. God damn, brother. Equinox. Let's go. Incredible. Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. There's lots of sick builds and some new stuff for the channel. Some builds that haven't been out before and some crazy, crazy sins. You can always count on the Crosby spots to be popping. But it is very cold and pretty much every car is gone, so we are gonna get out of here. Let me know what your favorite car was in the comments down below. Remember, I sell cars at Parkway Chevrolet, and remember, I got gloss and gears coming up at the end of the month, and I hope to see you guys there. And on that note, I'll catch you guys in the next video.